What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the multiple profiles in Firefox. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can go to this Windows and you can start to give it the right click and click run, and you can start to type the, I guess this is the keyword like this, firefox.exe, and give it a space, stripe and uppercase of P, and click OK. And after that, this will be the section that can help you, whether that create a new profile, rename the profile, or even delete the profile. And for example, I want to create the profile for the working space in my Firefox. So here I will click the create profile, and this will be the welcome message of this Firefox. You can read it, and after that you can click next. And for example, I will type over here working space, and you can also choose the folder about the section that can help you to save, let's say, the data of your profile over here. And for example, I will create a new folder working like this, and I will select the folder, and after that you can start to click finish, and this will be ready to use, guys. And if you would like to start to open it, so you can click this and start Firefox, and after that this will direct you into this section, and this profile will be fully used for the working space for your project, guys. You can continue to click create, and this will be the section that ready to use. And let's say if you would like to rename that profile, so you can start to go to run again and click OK, and you can start to select this profile and click rename profile, and for example working space 1, and click OK, and you can start to click the start Firefox, and after that this will be ready to use, guys. So that will be the way if you would like to create and multiply the profile or multiply the profile in your Firefox, guys. So that's all. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.